Okay, also on Victor Echo now with the additional new fan latches is also the thrust reverser half, which has been changed, made it a little bit more user friendly. Two panels at the back, still got those little horrible 90-degree latches there, which Andy will open up in a minute, but if you'd like to just do the front panel there, Andy, for me please. The interesting thing about when you undo these ones is they've got these lanyards which are sprung with a pit pin and a spring trigger, so they're a three-handed job really when you go to do them up. You've got to flick the spring lever over, place the wires in, and then do the pit pin all in one hand. Then that just leaves the panel at the back great stuff, thanks Andy. That's just the normal one with the two thrust reverser lockout indication pins as well there as usual. Then the sequence for latching is different now. The big difference here is this horrible L2 latch, which was the big handbrake handle or whatever it was. Take the free tension out of the cowls so that they can then be unlatched. So that's the big difference now. We've got this turnbuckle. So the sequence is here. I'll draw it back a little bit so I get the line. Guys can get in. So gentlemen, it's the L6 please, Scott. That's the one right there with the yellow handle which we were discussing earlier. That's it. Down, around, down. Lovely. L3. L5.
Yeah, that's this one here. Turnbuckle.
Yeah, turnbuckle deployed as it were. So that's series. Sprung latch, spins out really handily at this stage, hits the L6 latch, which you've got to just move back out of the way slightly.
I think
That's it, Scott, yeah. Defeats the object somewhat. But... okay, so then that just swings into that fitting there. At this stage, obviously, the turnbuckle's pretty easy to move by hand, but once you start getting tension on it, you're going to need that. Scott, it needs to go in with this 90-degree. That's it, yeah. Lovely. So, and then obviously you can turn up quite a bit by hand. Taking some tension here. So about the turnbuckle.
L2. L2. Turnbuckle, L2.
Lovely.
L1, which is the front.
No, I think we just back off the turnbuckle. We've taken the tension out of that and we're stowing the turnbuckle away from there. We'll just leave it. What a nice design. Anyway, we'll do that.